Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Bank Nifty only. So I hope you might have enjoyed the rally in the Bank Nifty, or what we can call is as a short covering. Okay, so let us start with the intraday levels and analysis, as I don't have anything for the post market analysis. Okay, so let us first see the levels. At the bottom we have a strong support at 38,500. 39,000 has become a good support level as well. At the bottom, we have a strong resistance at 39,500 and stronger resistance is at 40,000. Okay, so before that, what we can see is, or what I feel is, market can go up to 40,000 is my expectation, or what my analysis is saying. If you see, market is in a strong bullish rally. If you turn this candlestick chart into Heikin-Ashi, you can clearly identify the trend. Okay, just look at the trend. After this fall, May, June, July, August, September, October. Okay, a continuous up rally, and if you see, very strong bullish support, or what we can say, um, strong buyers are present at this particular level. If you look at the last three candles, we do not see even a small wick at the bottom, which indicates a very strong buyers are present at this particular level, and they can drive market to a great extent. Okay, so this was it regarding the trend. So still it is a good, or we can say market is an uptrend. Now let us see the intraday levels and analysis. So we have seen the support and resistance level. I have drawn one purple support line. Okay, this line I have drawn on a 1 hour time frame. If you change this time frame, you would get to see this particular trend line where market is taking the support at this particular point, second at this, and we saw market heading upwards. So what can happen tomorrow, or what is the scenario? First of all, let us see the support zone. A good support zone is present at 38,800 to 900. Okay, this is a strong support zone. Next support zone is between, this is an odd support zone that I have marked. Why? Because if you look at the swing of candle is made at this position. That is 39,250 levels. The support is, the base support is at 39,200 level, and the upper level is at 39,000. This is 300. Okay, this is the the good support zone is between 200 to 300, and I have drawn one more line in between, that is between 39,250. Okay, so I have marked, this is a no trade zone. If you see no trade zone, if market opens flat between 39,400 to 39,250. So 250 is this particular level what I have marked, and 400 is this. So do not enter into the trade if market opens flat. Why? Because already we have seen such a good rally, and if you look at the curve or the angle which Bank Nifty has made is very steep. So generally what happens, we have already seen in one of the previous analysis that when but when Bank Nifty or any share makes such a steep rally, there is more possibility of a sideways market or a small correction. Okay, so what can be the possibility? Sideways, because sideways, or a small correction because we have a strong resistance at 39,500. So this is one thing. Now let us see from different perspective, what if market opens gap up and gap down. So if market opens gap down, now there are more possibilities of market opening gap up tomorrow. Why? Because let me show, this is Dow Jones, and we know that our market follows US market, and if we see in a 15 minutes time frame, okay, this is a Dow Jones chart. We can see last consecutive 2 days market is heading upwards and with a good gap. Okay, so there is a positivity overall in the market, and same would continue on Monday as well. If something does not come very worst in the morning. Otherwise, this bull run would keep on continuing by taking a small pause or moving sideways or giving a small correction, then heading upwards. Okay, so if market opens gap up above 39,400, this particular level, then do not enter into the trade. It will face the resistance. So what strategy would you follow if you are going to buy? Buy on dips. That is when market would make a small correction, rather than buying a put, buy a call when it would make a small dip, so that we can get a good upward rally. Okay, so this is one thing. I have already spoken about how to take the trade if market opens sideways. Do not enter into the trade unless it breaks this level or breaks the bottom level. Okay, so this is one. And based on the formation of the candle, that is bullish or bearish, uh, at this particular breakout or breakdown of levels, you enter into the trade. And third possibility is if market opens gap down. So we have a good support zone. There are very less possibility of market opening gap down. So even if it opens gap down, let it cross this particular level, that is 39,200. So in if we are trading in a 5-minute chart, let it close 5 minutes candle below 39,200. I hope you are getting and understanding the scenarios very well. And the last one is more possibility of a sideways market between 39,500 to 39,200. If market sustains below 39,500 for first hour. So at least for first hour, if we see market sustains below this, then the rest of the day market can go sideways or a bit up and down, because already market has took a very good rally and this is a very sharp move. So just to give an example, if we run a sprint of 100 meters very fast, then what do? We take a pause, and then only we would be able to run next 100-meter sprint fast. Otherwise we won't be able, unless and until we have the stamina of running 200 meters, 400 meters very fast. Okay, I hope you're getting the scenario. So guys, if you like my analysis, please share with your friends, subscribe to the channel to get the daily analysis, and please hit the like button. Thank you.